story that has shocked the kitchen utensil community. A ladle was brutally murdered in the third cabinet left side. Reports suggest the killer is a slotted spatula. Police investigations are still ongoing.
Hey, did you hear that?
Hear what?
The news. A little cabinet. Mauser.
Probably just bumped into a shelf. Chill out.
Chill. Do you think someone snapped a handle on purpose and then threw them into boiling water? Shut up, you idiot! Now you get it? The killer is here, in this kitchen. Please subscribe to the Skimmy Fun YouTube channel, like videos, and hit the bell button to make all the tools happy and keep us going.
A few moments later.
Yeah? Who is it? Like, how close?
Close enough to hear your breaths.
Listen, pipe rage. I'm not in the mood for your games, okay?
The game has just begun.
Pipe rage. Is your nephew hungry again? If that bat comes after me for a snack, I swear, Mom. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and like videos on the Skimmy Fun channel. Mom.
Happy birthday to Skimmy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
You idiots! Damn you all! I almost wet myself!
Not much of a surprise if a skimmer wets itself. That's kind of its thing.
Uncle, when can we eat the cake?
The real surprise is there's still cake left with you around.
I got you a wool hat. I hope it keeps you warm this winter.
Honey, a skimmer wearing a hat? That makes it useless. Don't you have any sense?